Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you something that I tried to cook before and I failed so miserably. I thought that it's so easy to just look at a recipe, a baking recipe, and make it successful, but I was so wrong. What I'm talking about is the French macaroons. The French macaron is actually not that easy to make as what I thought it would be. So today I'm gonna show you how to make French macaron from zero to hero. But first, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will know when I'm uploading amazing videos. Today I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks to make a successful macaron. Once you get it right, I trust that you'll be able to do it successfully just like I did. Watch till the end to be able to see how to make successful macaroons. I'll also what I did wrong and what I did right. Now back to the video. So here are the following tips. French macaron is all about the meringue or the egg whites. First tip, never ever use egg whites that you bought from the store. That's what I did. I actually put some egg whites to the fresh egg whites. Tip number 2, cream of tartar to your egg whites when you started beating it. Number 3, put some salt into your egg whites also. Next tip is to use the slowest setting in your egg beater. Tip number 5 is once you beat the egg whites, make sure that it has a stiff peak, meaning that when you whip it out, the meringue should stay stiff and not bent. Another tip is that once you're done with your meringue, you have to mix it to the dry ingredients by folding using a spatula. Folding means to fold like this. Do not mix like you're doing this. It should be folding.
this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!